Hi everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we're diving into the world of e-commerce website design. We're going to talk about the essential elements of e-commerce website design to help you with your next e-commerce website design project. So whether you're just starting your online store or looking to revamp your existing one, you're in the right place. We're about to uncover the essential elements that will make your e-commerce website stand out and drive those sales, and we'll look at real life examples and also some good e-commerce platforms to also help you get started with your website design. So let's get started. So how is e-commerce design different from other types of website design? E-commerce design differs from other types of website design in several ways because it has very specific goals, requirements, and they're all centered around facilitating online transactions and enhancing the overall shopping experience. You'll notice on e-commerce websites there's more emphasis on product listings and catalogs. There's that shopping and checkout process. There's more emphasis on images. User reviews and ratings are also given different importance across the e-commerce designs versus other brochure or blog type websites. E-commerce website design is distinct due to its focusing on facilitating online transactions, emphasizing user trust and security, and optimizing the user experience for the specific goal of driving sales. It requires a deep understanding of user behavior, conversion optimization, and the technical aspects of online retail. So let's go look at a real-life example of an e-commerce website and see some design aspects that make it different from normal types of website design. So this is the Belfast Artisan Gin School website, and they sell different alcohol products, and they also give the option to buy gift vouchers for experiences as well. So you'll notice that they have a shop page, and on that shop page they have this product listing and this kind of product catalog. So e-commerce websites typically have this extensive product catalogs with various categories, subcategories, filters, and all of this helps design an effective navigation system, and the product listing layout is crucial to help users find and explore different products easily. So you can see it's very easy to come onto the products section. They just go onto the homepage and then their shop, and they got the product listing just there as well as call to actions to other parts of the website in terms of like a book now experience to book a different type of product, as well as call to actions to their blog and things like that. You'll notice on e-commerce sites as well, product images and descriptions are also really important. High quality product images, detailed descriptions, and customer reviews as well are all part of the user experience to help users make a more informed buying decision, especially when buying online. The design should accommodate these elements effectively. So you can see there's large images of the product being used across the site, as well as they're very clear, high quality, and just make it more appealing to the user and encourage them to buy a bit more as well. So now let's talk about the shopping cart and checkout process. So e-commerce websites include a shopping cart feature that allow users to add, modify, and review their selected items before making a purchase. The checkout process needs to be really streamlined and user-friendly to reduce cart abandonment rates. So for example, on this website, to make a purchase, all the user needs to do is actually go onto the shop page and look for the product that they want to actually purchase. They can click into the product here and read a little bit about the product, and then up to them if they want to buy or not. So you can see the buy button is very clearly added here, and they can also choose like from the quantity as well from this option here. They can see the payment options, and they can also see the price as well. And then simply just add to basket. You can see it being added to the basket on the top right, which is very clearly defined in the navigation bar. They click into the basket to go to the cart page. They can add any coupon codes. They can see a total of what they're buying, and they can see sort of a subtotal as well. And then all they need to do now is proceed to checkout and just fill out the checkout information, pick a payment plan, and then easily kind of buy a product that they want to buy. So you can see that this process is really streamlined, no fuss, very easy to kind of navigate through and purchase a product as well. So that's really important, and it's different to how some blogs and brochure websites might operate as well. A lot of e-commerce websites might display real-time product availability and manage inventory effectively, and this information should be integrated into the design to prevent disappointed customers with out-of-stock items. Some e-commerce design might also incorporate features for suggested related products or upselling to encourage customers to buy more. So the difference between cross-selling and upselling, upselling would be to encourage users, if they're buying a certain type of product, some parts of the website might encourage users to buy a more expensive version of that product. And then cross-selling, if they're buying a certain product, there might be other products that go with it. So they might encourage users, maybe in the checkout process, to also buy that secondary product that goes with it. It's also really important for users and designers to have clear representation of return and refund policies, and this helps build trust and manage customer expectations, and that's really essential in e-commerce design. Usually it's placed sort of near the bottom on the footer, and they should be able to see things like the shipping and returns, and all of these rules should be clearly defined on this page as well. It's really important to maintain that user's trust as well. As we're navigating through the website, you can see that the load speed and performance is also really important. This website loads quite fast, but because slow loading websites can lead to cart abandonment, e-commerce sites has to prioritize speed and performance optimization to ensure a smooth shopping experience. And in general, speed and performance is important anyway, regardless if it's an e-commerce site or not. As a slow performing site will cause a high bounce rate, and you want to make sure that you have that at all. You want to incorporate trust badges and security symbols, and that can reassure users about the safety of their data. Even things like a cookie banner and a privacy policy will help build a little bit more trust, knowing that their data isn't going to be sold or misused in any way. And on top of that, security is paramount in e-commerce design. So integrating secure payment options is also really important, and to making sure that the security options will protect the buyer's financial information as well is also really important. So make sure that you're offering secure payment options and not anything else. A lot of e-commerce websites might often integrate analytics tools to monitor user behavior, track conversions, and gather data for ongoing optimization. But again, you should be doing that for any kind of website. It's a really good way to see how users are interacting with your website, and also to see what changes you can make based off of that interaction. E-commerce website design, compared to other types of website design, has a heavy focus on the user experience regarding transactions, and also has more emphasis on trust and security and optimizing the user experience for the specific goal of driving sales. There's a lot more call to actions everywhere. There's usually more high quality images used across the site to make the product more appealing, and there's usually more product descriptions as well to make sure it's as accurate as possible, as at the end of the day people are buying online and may not have actually seen the product or tried the product in person before. So it requires a deep understanding of user behavior, conversion optimization, and the technical aspects of online retail. So now let's talk a little bit about choosing the right e-commerce platform. Choosing the right e-commerce platform is a crucial decision when you're setting up your online store. The platform you select will impact your store's functionality, scalability, and customization options, and overall success. When you're choosing an e-commerce platform, there's two types of e-commerce platforms that you can really choose in terms of hosting. There's the hosted e-commerce platforms, and this can be something like Shopify. Hosted e-commerce platforms just means that these platforms are hosted on the provider server. So Shopify is one. It's a really popular hosted e-commerce platform, and it offers a range of features and tools to help businesses create and manage online stores. Shopify is known for its user-friendly interface. It makes it really accessible to users with varying levels of technical expertise. It's designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, and Shopify also offer a range of templates as well to kind of choose from. And all of the templates you can customize to match your brand. And while the level of customization isn't as extensive as some platforms, it's generally sufficient for most small to medium-sized businesses. They also have a robust sort of app store as well, and that kind of helps add a bit more functionality to your site. And it also provides its own payment gateway as well as Shopify Payments, which is built into the platform. And there's a bunch of secure third-party payment gateways giving you the flexibility in how you accept payments as well. All Shopify themes are mobile responsive, and they ensure that your store looks good on various devices as well. And Shopify handles hosting and provides SSL security certificates as well, ensuring that your customers' data is secure. It's a fully hosted platform, meaning you don't need to worry about server management. For more information about Shopify and how to get started, we do have videos about that on our channel, so feel free to click back and watch those. But overall, a hosted managed e-commerce platform makes it really easy. Hosted platforms are generally more user-friendly, making them accessible to users with varying techniques and expertise. And it's usually a quicker setup as well, because hosted platforms often have a quick setup process, allowing you to launch your store relatively quickly. And you don't need in-depth technology or technology to set up and run your store, and this can be a significant advantage for small business owners or those who prefer to focus on sales and marketing rather than the technical maintenance as well. And they're also pretty secure, including SSL certificates. They have regular security updates and protected against common online threats, and this can save you time and resources compared to managing security on a self-hosted platform. If, however, you decide you want to go for the self-hosted e-commerce platform route, then a good way to go is through WordPress with the WooCommerce plugin. So with self-hosted e-commerce platforms, you host and maintain these platforms yourself, and this gives you more control, but also requires more technical expertise. So with WooCommerce, this works with conjunction to WordPress, which is one of the most widely used content management systems out there in the world. So if you already have a WordPress website and you're wanting to add e-commerce to it, the best way to do that actually would be through adding the WooCommerce plugin. So WooCommerce is open source, which means it's free to download and use. You have the freedom to modify and customize it as it needs. And WooCommerce is highly customizable and flexible, and you can use it to sell physical products, digital products and subscriptions. You can customize the design of your online store. There are lots of plugins and extensions available to extend the functionality of WooCommerce, allowing you to add features like payment gateway, shipping options, product variations, things like that. It supports a wide range of payment gateways, including PayPal, Stripe, credit card options, things like that. And WooCommerce is designed with SEO in mind, so it offers features like customizable URLs, meta descriptions, and canonical tags to improve your online store search visibility. WooCommerce is a very versatile and powerful e-commerce solution that allows you to create and manage an online store within the WordPress framework. Its flexibility, customizability, and extensive plugin ecosystem make it a really popular choice for businesses of all sizes to sell products online. The benefits of self-hosting e-commerce platforms like WooCommerce is the unlimited customization options. So you can modify the source code of the e-commerce platform to meet your exact needs, and you have full control over your hosting environment, so server resources, software configurations, and it's beneficial if you have specific server requirements or if you want to optimize performance a little bit. Self-hosted platforms can also be more cost-effective since you can choose your hosting provider and plan based on your budget and performance needs, and you'll have greater control over SEO customization. In summary, the choice between hosted and self-hosted e-commerce platforms depends on your business's specific requirements, technical expertise, and priorities. Hosted platforms are ideal for those who want a hassle-free, user-friendly experience with managed hosting and support, and self-hosted platforms are better fit for businesses that require extensive customization, control, and scalability, and have the technical knowledge to manage their own hosting environment. So the platform that you choose will impact your store's functionality, scalability, design options, and overall success. So here's some key things to really consider whenever you're choosing an e-commerce platform. The first one is cost and pricing structure. And so you want to consider your budget and the total cost of ownership, including platform fees, transaction fees, hosting costs, and any add-ons or plugins that you might need. You want to look for a platform with an intuitive and user-friendly interface, especially if you're not technically inclined. And you want to consider the ease of adding and managing products as well, processing orders, customizing the design, etc. You want to look at the platform's flexibility in terms of design, customization, and functionality. Can you easily adapt the design to match your brand's identity without it looking generic or from a template too much? And check if the platform supports third-party integrations and extensions for added features. You also want to look at some search engine optimization features as well. It's vital for online visibility. The good thing is that most platforms nowadays, like Shopify, BigCommerce, WooCommerce, Wix, they are all already designed to have extensive SEO-friendly features like customizable URLs, metadata control, and sitemaps. So definitely something to think about whenever you are choosing an e-commerce platform. And evaluate the quality of customer support provided by the platform. Even if you are quite technical, have a lot of technical knowledge, it's still good to make sure that there are resources like documentations, tutorials, and a user community to help you troubleshoot issues that may arise. And pay attention to community and user feedback. So research what existing users say about the platform. Online reviews and forums can provide insights into the experiences of other e-commerce store owners. And there you have it, folks, the key ingredients for a successful e-commerce website design that will leave your customers coming back for more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your fellow online entrepreneurs. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting tips and tutorials on web design, e-commerce, and digital marketing. As always, thank you for joining us today. Your feedback and questions are invaluable to us, so feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Until next time, keep crafting those stunning online shopping experiences, and I'll see you in the next one.